Welcome back, everybody. Let's see, what are we gonna do today? Oh, hi. Wanna say hi to everybody? You look at the camera? So for about a week now, I've been wearing the Off-White Vapor Streets, and they're pretty comfortable, but I did it without an unboxing. Haven't heard too many people talking about them. One of the things that I like to do, I like to buy shoes that are different. I don't buy into the hype to a lot of shoes, and just the fact that these just looked different. I mean, you get spikes on the bottom, film that sits on top of them. A lot of people just didn't like them, but I just liked how different they were. So I actually got the yellow pair, and so I wanted to do an unboxing for those, so that way everybody can kind of see what comes with them.
Finish him.
Got my receipt. First, you'll see the paper that's made of Italian leather. You got your off-white paper. You've got your black shoelaces. Got your green zip tie. Got these neon orange laces. On the bottom, you've got these little rubber spikes. On the inside of the shoe, you've got the Off-White for Nike. And there's a little tag here. Other shoe, same, obviously didn't have the zip tie on it. Got your neon orange laces on the outside, black shoelaces on the inside. Cool thing about these orange laces, you can actually take these out, just have it laced up with the black shoelaces. Got your lettering there. And the swoosh is actually silver, just as the same as the Nike on the back. I know a lot of people were asking questions about those rubber spikes on the bottom. Saw a couple people that were talking about they were just gonna cut them off. I would actually say keep them on. It took me probably about 5 minutes to figure out, not really figure out how to walk in these, but to realize how different it was to walk in these, because the shoe themselves, they're pretty comfortable. The rubber spikes on the bottom, when you walk, it acted as another cushion. I kept feeling like I was walking on like a soft floor, or that the floor was actually getting soft. And so it took me just a little bit to like figure out how my stride should be with these, but they're super, super comfortable. I've been wearing these for probably about a week now. And now that I finally just opened these, I'm not sure which one is my favorite color. Guess we'll just have to figure it out as we go. Nothing too crazy. I just thought it was a really cool shoe. It's my first pair of any Off-White shoe. Obviously, I'd like to have the Off-White Chicago ones, but I'm not paying $2,000 or $3,000 for a pair of shoes right now. Probably ever. One thing I will say about the sneaker culture is you get a lot of people that something gets posted on Instagram, something gets posted on Twitter, you know, somebody's wearing a pair of shoes, and the first thing that somebody says is, first they're talking about how ugly the shoes are, and then they're saying how stupid you are for buying the shoes. Buy what you like. You know, some of these shoes, if people's names weren't attached to them, no one would buy them. No one would care about them. Everybody would be calling them bricks and everything else. Buy what you like. You know, wear what you like, what's comfortable to you. Just be yourself, be original, be unique. Buy whatever you want, buy what you like. All right. I think that's it. I've got the Jordan 4, What the 4s coming in soon. Notice that they're taking a lot longer for them to ship now. As soon as those come in, I'll do an unboxing on those. Heard about the leather on those are pretty good, so I'm kind of interested to see what those look like. If you like this video, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you didn't like it, you can still hit it. The button. All right, I think that's it.